Hello student and welcome to my YouTube channel and going to do Excel module 12 SAM project 1B Piedmont Riverfront Festival develop an Excel application. Basically this is the 12th module of Excel session of this course. Now I will do this assignment step by step and you can get complete solution of this assignment by watching this video. Dear student, if you want me to do assignment for you and if you want me to do complete course for you including all Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment or Access assignment, then you contact me on my WhatsApp or email address that will be given in description of this video. Also, dear student, I am providing other courses like accounting, cost accounting, financial accounting, financial management, budgeting, math, stat, information technology, computer sciences, business accounting, business math, English and all writing assignment as well. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step. Now, first thing is title of assignment. So title of assignment, New Perspective Excel 2019 Module 12 SAM Project 1B Piedmont Riverfront Festival. Now start just wait, I zoom the file. Okay. Now first thing, get started. Open the file npex19 12b first last name 1 available for download from the SAM website. Dear student, I have already downloaded the file from the Cengage. If you can download, if you want, then you can download from the SAM website or a Cengage login. And this is our file. I have already downloaded the file. Okay, now I will move to important thing, and important things are project steps. Total project steps have 10, and now I will start from the first step. This one project step, and now I will start from the this one. Okay, now start step 1. Now Kera Vanjari is coordinating the volunteer for the Piedmont Riverfront Festival in Piedmont, Virginia. She is developing an Excel workbook to track and record the volunteer information including registration information. She asked for your help in automating the workbook. Okay. So go to the volunteer overview worksheet and then unprotect it so you can edit the content. Okay, in this tab simply we unprotect the file. For this simply we go to the worksheet and go to the volunteer overview and go to the review app, and this one protect and this one unprotect. This is our step number 1. I have all about done by step number 1. Now I will move to step number 2 now. So start the step number 2 now. Okay, first I read the step. Kira want to include an eye-catching title on the worksheet which she planned to share with the other festival coordinator. Insert and format word art as follows. So this step number 2 have 4 steps. and further two parts. Further four part A, part B, part C, and part D. Now I read the part A now. Okay. Part A saying that insert word or using the fill brown accent color for soft bevel style, and part B type festival volunteer in the word or to make the worksheet title, and so part C change the text fill of the word or to brown accent for darker 25%, and our part D move the word or to row 1 so that it's span column A up to H. This is our step number 2, and step number 2 have further 4 part. Now I will start the solution of step 2. Okay. Part A, insert word or using the fill brown accent color soft bevel style. So simply, or dear student, I am explaining this step on the worksheet. So simply go to the worksheet and go to the insert tab, this one, and go to the text, this one, and word or this one, and select the color according to the instruction file. I think this one, yes. Brown accent color 4 soft bevel, yes. Okay. This is our step number 2 and part A now. Now I will move to part B. Part B saying that type festival volunteer in the word or to make the worksheet title. Dear student, you first copy this, control C, and go to the Excel sheet, and here you first select, and here is control V. Sorry, simply you type here festival volunteer. Okay, festival volunteer. This one. This is our step number 2 and part B. Now I will move to part C now. Change the text fill of the word or to brown and 4 darker 25%. Okay. Again go to the worksheet and go to the shape format, and this one, text fill. Okay, and saying that brown and 4, I think this is this one, brown, this one. Water brown SN4 darker 25%. Go to the text filler, and this one I think. Okay. This one. This is our step number 2 and part C. Now I will move to part D now. Okay. Now I will move to part D now. And part D is saying that move the word R to row 1 so that it span column A to H. Simply, you student, you cut this, cut this, and paste here. Okay, student, cut this and paste here. This one. Okay, this is our step number D and part D. So sorry, this is step 2 and part D. Finally, I have done the step number 2 now. Dear student, I am doing this assignment step by step according to the instruction file. If you have any question or a query, then you contact me on my WhatsApp or email address that can be given in description of this video. Dear student, I am also available for 24 hours for your assignment, for your complete courses, for your exam, and for your quiz on reasonable price. Also, you can make easy deal with me for your complete course, for your complete chapter, and for your exam and also quizzes. Then if you want, then contact me on my WhatsApp or email address that can be given in description of this video. Also, dear student, I have complete solution of this assignment. If you want, then you contact me on my WhatsApp or email address that can be given in description of this video. So I will move to next step and next step number 3. Okay, first read this step number 3 now. Okay, Kera created a macro to insert a plan worksheet title and then attach the macro to the title button. She no longer needs the button. Delete the title button in the range H5 up to H5, H4 up to H5. No, dear student, I solved the step number 3 now. You simply go to the Excel sheet and this one. And, delete this. This is our step number 3. Finally, I have done this step number 3 now. Now I will move to step number 4 now. Okay, now I will move to step number 4. Kira planned to print the volunteer overview worksheet before the first day of the festival. She wanted to use the print layout button to prepare the worksheet for printing. Record a macro that sets up the worksheet for the printing as follows. Dear student, step number 4 also have six part A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. Now I solve the step number 4 now. Simply in this step we setting the print layout and also print setting. So I start the step number 4 and first read the part of the step now. Okay, now part A saying that record a macro name print layout stored in the current workbook, and part B with the macro recording, click the file tab on the ribbon and then click to print. And C part saying that change the page orientation to landscape orientation. Here simply change the page setup orientation to landscape. And part D now change the scaling setting to first fit sheet on one page. Here select the sheet. And part E saying that return to the volunteer overview worksheet. In this, simply close the parent setting page, and this one stop recording the macro. Okay, this is our step number 4. Now I start the solution of step number 4 now. First thing is, first part saying that record a macro name print layout store in the current workbook. So for this, simply you go to the Excel sheet and go to the developer, and here record macro, this one. And here also name the record print layout. So type print underscore layout, this one. Okay, and okay, and this stop, and so continue the recording. Okay, this is our step number 4 and part A. Now I will move to part B now. With the macro recording, click the file tab on the ribbon and then click the print. So dear student, now I will go to the print option now. So go to the worksheet and go to the file and go to the print option, this one. Okay, this is our part B. Now I will move to part C now. Part C, change the page orientation to landscape orientation. Dear student, in this part we simply orientation change to landscape orientation. Okay, here simply change the setting page orientation to landscape. Okay, simply go to the sheet and this one portrait rotation and move to landscape orientation, this one. This is our, dear student, in this step E we change the portrait orientation change to landscape orientation. Now I move to the part D now. Change the scaling setting to fit sheet on one page. Okay, go to the print sheet and this one non-scaling, and so this one for fit sheet on one page, and you can see that fit on one sheet. Okay, again so part E, return to the volunteer overview worksheet and stop recording the macro. So here and stop recording, this one. This is our step number 4 now. Finally I have done this step number 4. Dear student, total step of this assignment 10, and I have already done step 4. Dear student, I am doing this assignment step by step according to the instruction file. Further, if you have any question or a query, then you contact me on my WhatsApp or an email address that can be given in description of this video. Dear student, also I am available for 24 hours for your assignment, for your complete courses, for your exam and for your quiz on reasonable price. Dear student, you can also make easy deal with me for complete courses, for complete chapter, for your exam and for your quiz and for your only assignment on reasonable price. If you want, then you contact me on my WhatsApp number 5 now, 4 now, and I have almost 50 to 60% of assignment done, and remaining step I have remaining step leave for your own. Further, if you want complete solution of this assignment, then you contact me on my WhatsApp or email address that will be given in description of this video. Dear student, humbly request to you subscribe my channel for upcoming videos, like and comment on my videos, and I will meet in next video. Bye bye.